Are density-dependent factors different from density-independent factors? Imagine a crowded park versus an empty field. The way things change in these places can tell us a lot about how populations grow or shrink. In ecology, scientists study what makes populations increase or decrease over time. Two main ideas help explain this: density-dependent factors and density-independent factors. Density-dependent factors are influences that change based on how many individuals are in a population. When a population gets crowded, these factors become stronger. For example, if many animals are competing for limited food or water, some might not find enough to survive. This competition can slow down population growth or even cause it to decline. Predators might find it easier to catch prey when prey numbers are high, which also reduces the prey population. Diseases spread more quickly in crowded groups because close contact helps germs spread. Waste buildup can also harm animals in dense populations. These factors act like a natural brake, preventing populations from growing too large. On the other hand, density-independent factors are influences that affect populations regardless of how many individuals there are. These are usually environmental or physical events. Think about a hurricane hitting a coastal town or a wildfire sweeping through a forest. These disasters can wipe out many animals or plants, whether the population is small or large. Extreme weather, such as a cold snap or drought, can also reduce populations without regard to how crowded or sparse they are. Pollution or seasonal changes are other examples. These factors can cause sudden drops in numbers that have nothing to do with how many organisms are present. Understanding the difference between these two types of factors is important in population ecology. Density-dependent factors help regulate populations by slowing growth as they become crowded, often leading to a balance called the carrying capacity. Density-independent factors can cause rapid, unpredictable changes that are not linked to population size. In real life, this knowledge helps with wildlife management and conservation efforts. For instance, controlling disease in dense animal populations or preparing for environmental disasters can keep ecosystems healthy. Recognizing whether a limiting factor depends on population density or not allows ecologists to predict how populations will change and plan appropriate actions. To sum up, density-dependent factors change with how crowded a population is and often involve living interactions like competition and disease. Density-independent factors are environmental events that impact populations regardless of their size. Both types of factors play vital roles in shaping how populations grow, decline, or stay stable over time.